What's up, everyone? Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, anywhere you are on it. I really appreciate you people watching my video. Please, before we continue, I'll very much appreciate it if you could like, share, subscribe, and click the notification button on my YouTube studio, on my YouTube channel. Please, let's get down to business. This is Wall Street CFD as we speak. I was analyzing the other time and something happened, so I just have to analyze a little one that I posted online. So as we speak right now, just like I forecasted, just like we do our statistics and forecasted, this is exactly what the market is doing at the moment. The market is changing momentum. The market is showing us that it's going to the direction that we forecasted. When it gets to this very point, I know it's definitely going to bounce. It's definitely going to get to 2847 4.1. You get it, at least maximum, then it will bounce, it will definitely retrace and start hitting up. So this is what we have for the Wall Street CFD as we speak. So, and this is a daily calculation. So this is what we calculate. I don't know what you see there. Please just feel free to call me on Skype, or just like, share, subscribe. I appreciate a polite comment and all that. Please, if you feel like I'm making any mistake here, nobody is an island of knowledge. Even at the expense of, I've been doing this for a while now, and it's been working for me for more than 2 decades. Anybody can still make mistakes. So should you see any mistake here, please feel free to give me a polite correction. I'll really appreciate it. So let's get down to business, just like we talking about. So should we look at this? Wall Street CFD? It goes down in some years back. Yeah, this 2020 it went down. February it shoots very, very bearish. It shoots